Hello. This is Blizzard 2022. I've got to get out here though and shovel. I've got to get my doors opened up. I already did the back door. I got to get my snowblower unburied. But yeah, it's pretty bad out. And almost $10,000 over a 10-year period. Watch TV in as many rooms as you like with no additional monthly fee. Stop spending money you don't have to spend. Watching Wipeout, even though it's on a commercial right now. Ultra HD antenna for only $19.95. It's backed by our 60-day money-back guarantee. Order now, and you can add a second clear TV free. Just pay separate processing and handle. It's gonna be like this till Sunday. We've got all day today and tomorrow. Gonna get more snow.
Develop a gorgeous app with Fiverr. You'll need your product manager, QA engineer, and Omar, a Fiverr freelance product designer with an impressive number of orders who will join your team from home. Smart and cozy. Expand your team.
But everybody be safe. Please don't go out unless you absolutely positively have to. But I'm gonna let you go. Love you later. Ooh, do you see the bird? I'm surprised there's a bird out in the snow. I don't know if you can. Oh, he flew off. He was on the railing. All right. Love you later.